Let's go now.
Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm here with my friend that you guys have never seen before on any platform ever. And this is my friend Noemi. And basically, she has a channel. She has two channels. I'll link them down below. But we're going to be filming a Fortnite video on her Fortnite channel. We're going to be filming a shop with me. I asked you guys on my Instagram what you guys wanted to see. We're on Christmas break now. I almost said we're on Thanksgiving break. Like, where is the time gone in life? But
what time is it? Where am I?
I do have a vlog channel as well if you want to subscribe to that so you can see more vlog style
Almost at
content.
1K.
Yeah, we're almost at 1K, and I'm trying to hit 4,000 subscribers on this channel before Christmas or before the end of the year. So subscribe if you aren't already, and let's just go ahead and hop on into this video. Oh yeah, you know it, you know it.
Are you recording our feet?
Yeah, you know how like people do that. We are walking into Target.
Oh, I got it. We got him, boys. Such a filmmaker.
Let's begin. Okay, what is that?
Shot glasses.
This is the like ghetto Target section.
My parents used to always shop here because everything is like...
No, look at this, look at this. This is really cute. Like, actually, that's so cute. I don't know if that's your aesthetic, but you know, it's mine. Like, look, are those real Doc Martens? Like, those are real, like, leather. She's kind of vegan-ish. She was, like, vegan for so long. Sorry, vegans out there are, like, screaming right now. Look at those gingerbread dog drinks. Like, so cool. First thing on the agenda is she needs candles, and we're gonna figure this out. Wait, can I just show you, like, how cool these mirrors are here? Like, I love these mirrors. Like, I think they're so cool. I think that's so cool. Like, in this one, like...
Hey guys.
Cute. Future Heather here. I'm sorry for the amount of times I say like throughout this video. It's honestly tragic. Instagram picture, here we come. Long story short, her friend asked her for some candles for Christmas, and I think that you should for sure get her this. I'm not even kidding. That is just like sitting there, like of course.
Flask.
Wait, you could definitely get Amy. You could get this for Amy. Okay, long story short, I need to get people Christmas gifts, and I want to do like a Christmas shop with me too, but I'm shopping for gifts for other people, like my friends and stuff right now, but I kind of like have stress showing this video before Christmas because I'm afraid they're gonna see this video at Grace and at my mom and at any of my friends who watch this. Sorry Noemi, I'll have to get you your gift later. She's Jewish anyways, like, come on. Hanukkah gift, question mark. Having like conflicting times because she doesn't know what to get Savannah. 5 hours later, we're still in this aisle. That's all right. How about you get her like a Christmas scent? Something I wanted to get Grace for Christmas because it's like her dog and her cat. I think I'm getting her this. It's like really, just if you're watching this, Grace, like please don't tell me that you saw this. Like back in the day, those like, oh my gosh, that's so cute, that's so cute. Okay, wait, can we go this way? Can we go this way? I saw this the other day here. Did you see my Instagram stories and stuff? Maybe. I thought this was like so cute. So I'm editing this and I keep saying cute over and over again, so sorry guys. Like I actually love that. Look at these look at the little babies. Guys, we're in my favorite section, the pillow section, of course. So this pillow is really cute. It matches the other pillow I got. And then I saw this pillow the other day too. It's really cute. By the way, I saw this too. I thought it's really cute. Wait, okay, Noemi, come here. If only this matched my room. It's really cute, but like, it's just not my aesthetic. Oh, do you think that's my aesthetic? I don't.
Palms are.
Yeah, look how cute that is. That's adorbs. That's cute. Look at this. This is cute too. That is so cute. We've arrived. It's what is it? Okay, it's like a stocking that it's not a stocking. It's like a hat. Put it on. Oh my god, that matches your outfit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my
channel. It'd be like that sometimes. Oh my gosh, at Rand, guess who this is? It's Mr. Poke. It's Mr. Poke.
This makes me anxious. This is just like
That gives me anxiety. Like, we're here at Target, you guys know that, but we're looking at the Christmas section now, and I'm just looking at these deer. I'm admiring these reindeer, and literally, that's pathetic. That guy in the back is like so much heavy. This is just sad. Noemi, this is horrendous. This is terrifying. Target, why would you do that? Now we are at this part of the Christmas aisle.
Almost my name.
Oh yeah, her name's Noemi, but it's Noelle. Noemi thinks I should get this in my room because it like matches perfectly apparently.
I've never been in your room, I've seen it in vlogs.
Yeah, you've seen in like everything. Okay, now we're in the candy aisle because we're ready to get thick for the holidays, you know. Just like joked around because like both of us don't eat unhealthy stuff like this, so we were just like joking.
We just want to see and see what we're missing out.
Yeah, see what we're missing out on, us vegan people, kind of. This is such a cute little section. Like, I love this stuff. Like, I'm living for it.
You should,
Okay, I love stuff like this.
thumbnail should be like...
Yes, it should be like that. This area is so cute.
Do the stupidest dance, you know. Start dabbing. It's great. Today I'm gonna be showing you
Oh god.
party trick.
She knows how to dislocate her shoulder, and it's kind of horrendous. That was distressing. They are so cute. That's so cute. Like, look at that little, I love mini trees like that. That's so cute. We're in this section now, and we're looking at trees. Like, we're definitely gonna buy a tree today, Noemi, like, for sure. We're going to the tree farm at Target. Oh my gosh, like, so aesthetic. Are you buying, like, lights and stuff?
30 lights.
This is cute. That Joy. Oh my gosh, look who it is. It's Ken the Corgi. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, and there's Grace's dog Tuts. I meant cat. All of this stuff is my aesthetic. You know what's
Lazy though.
her friend likes unicorns, and I was like, yo, put her gift in this bag. Like, it's perfect. Yes, that's perfect. That is such a good idea. Like, great idea, Heather. Like, coming in clutch. Okay, now we're in this aisle, and I posted a picture on Instagram the other day. I was like, this is totally my aisle. Like, look, is that not me? Like, that, if I was a deer, that'd be me, because, you know, I love that stuff.
Just, I imagine like sort of rose gold glittery stuff in your room.
Yes, I just don't like glitter, though, is the only problem. Like, I'm not a big fan of glitter. Not really, because it goes everywhere. That's so cool. Oh, look at all this stuff. It's so cute. Look how cute this is. I love this stuff. Look at this stuff. Okay, I need your advice on like picking out a stocking because I'm filming a video, but look at all this cute stuff. I love it.
Oh, don't you need a stocking?
Yeah, but like I don't know which one I should get. I need something cute that's like very Heather. You have to decide on a stocking. This is gonna be difficult because like there's a lot of options, but like I don't know.
What are you looking for?
Just like a cute one. I don't know. We're trying to find the letter H, and like we straight up don't think they have the letter H. Like we cannot find it anywhere. Like Target, you're failing us today. But I need to pick out a stocking, and none of these are really that cute, and that's the T, sis. They have an O. We could get an E and be like, Elise. Basically, for the video, I need different types of things that can go in stockings. So
is it for like girls or boys?
Like everyone, like gender neutral, honestly, at this point. Like, it's 2018, boys. Look at this stuff, so cute. Okay, can we just talk about that bulldog? That's so cute. Okay, I made that lady feel awkward. It's always awkward when you're like filming and like somebody else is in it and they like see you filming and they try to get out of the video and it's just too late.
That's me.
So it's just like super awkward for them and you. Show what you've got. We got those bags, boys. Oh look, it looks like it's gonna like storm or something.
Oh my God.
It looks kind of.
It does.
That was so successful. Like 2 hours later, we got the goods, and now we're gonna do a haul because we bought a bunch of stuff. But if you're one of my friends, like I said, click off right now. What did you get, Noemi? Because she's the guest on my channel. The guest always goes first, right?
I got this
Beauty
for
Girl.
my friend,
And
along with this bag that I got.
You gotta like show it, like you gotta be like this unicorno and this bag of Santa riding a unicorn.
I got this banana because I like it. I got this for my mom because she likes these sort of ornament animal things. Got a candle because my friend asked for a candle.
Okay.
I got some fairy lights. And I got some chapstick because I needed some.
Well, on the other hand, I got some real bananas because
Wow.
I love bananas and I am going to definitely be eating this for breakfast tomorrow. For a video I'm filming, I got some minis peppermint bark and it looks tasty. I probably won't eat any of these, but it'll be cute for the vid because it'd be like that sometimes. And then I also got some Hershey Kisses, and at our school they're selling freaking elf kisses. So instead of buying $20 elf kisses, I bought my own elf kisses and I am giving myself elf kisses because I got all those elves. I got some candy cane bath bombs because who doesn't love bath bombs? And then the next thing I got is an exfoliating face mask because you know you need that during the holiday season. It's a stressful time. You've got your annoying relatives around that you just want to like have a good time by yourself and not have to deal with them. Sorry if my relatives are watching this, like you're not annoying, but like
It'd be like that
sometimes. We have a Flavor Crystals lip balm and it's Burt's Bees because I needed some lip balm because my lips are chapped. I also got this stocking because if you guys watched the last vlog on my vlog channel, I needed a stocking and I wasn't about to pay $50 for a stocking at Anthropologie, so I got this cute one. I actually really like this Noemi, like we did pretty good. And the final thing I got, I hope Grace is not watching this, but I got this for her for a gag gift for Christmas. Anyway, it's this little gag gift because she has a dog. This is Rocky, her dog, and this is Tuts, her cat. And I hope she like finds this very cute. Yay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to Yesemi over here. Her name's Noemi, but she's the fork knives, pasta, lasagna, whatever she said. Comment down below if you want more videos like this. Go subscribe to my vlog channel because I'm doing Vlogmas right now. It's a lit time over there. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, this is just really cringy. Okay. Peace out, boys.